In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your GitHub link to your LinkedIn profile. This is a great way to showcase your projects and code repositories to potential employers or collaborators who view your LinkedIn profile. Let's get started with the process step by step. First, make sure you're logged into your LinkedIn account. Once you're logged in, head over to your LinkedIn profile. You can do this by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner and selecting View Profile from the drop-down menu. This will take you straight to your personal profile page. Next, you need to edit your contact information. To do this, locate the pencil icon near your profile summary area or under your contact information. Click on this icon to enter the edit mode where you can adjust various aspects of your profile. Scroll down until you find the website section. If you haven't added any websites before, you might see a prompt that says Add a website. Click on this prompt and you'll be ready to add your GitHub link. Now, you need to have your GitHub profile URL handy. Go ahead and log into your GitHub account if you haven't already, and copy your profile URL. This is the link that will direct anyone interested straight to your GitHub page, where they can see all your hard work and contributions. Once you have your URL copied, head back to LinkedIn. Paste this URL into the website URL field on LinkedIn. You want to make sure it's accurate, so double-check that the URL is complete and correct, ensuring there are no extra characters or spaces. After pasting your GitHub URL, you'll see another drop-down menu labeled Website Type. Click on this drop-down and select Other. This option is typically best for URLs that don't fit into the standard categories provided by LinkedIn. Now for the final step. Don't forget to save your changes. Go to the bottom of this editing section and click the Save button. By saving, you're ensuring that your GitHub link is now a permanent part of your LinkedIn profile's contact information. And that's it. Your GitHub profile is now linked on your LinkedIn page, specifically within the contact information section under Websites. This not only makes your profile more comprehensive, but also allows potential recruiters and connections to easily access and review your coding projects and repositories. It's a small yet significant step to enhance your online professional presence. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful.